All right, here it is. It is the Palmetto State Armory Spiker. This is one of Palmetto State Armory's newest rifles that they have out. This is the Spiker based off of the Type 56 Chinese Spiker. This is, off of the Norinco. And a little backstory, Russia made AK-47s, and in 1956, China started making AKM style or AK-47 style weapons. So here it is in all its glory. Goes for about $10.99 on Palmetto State Armory. And what makes this different from all the other guns is we have the Spiker bayonet right here. Different color furniture, and this is on their Soviet Arms line. So it is on their website, it's made by them, but it's based off of their Soviet Arms brand. So this was in my hands about 3-4 weeks ago. Haven't had a chance to really do anything with it. I haven't had a chance to go to the range. But let's open up this tripod and just do a quick once over. Throw that right there. And as you can see, of course, what's going to point out or stand out the most is going to be this bayonet. So let's get that bayonet open. Boom, done. Right there's your bayonet. It's a little bit longer than an SKS bayonet. Another thing that you'll notice is there's no slant break. It's a regular muzzle nut on this. I did add my own cleaning rod. However, we'll show by closing it back up, it does not sit as flush as I would like. So we're gonna have to do a little surgery over there, maybe sometime in the future. Going along, we have the portholes on the gas tube right here. Furniture is blonde. We have an 800-yard leaf sight. Good luck. You're not gonna be able to see it on here, but there are, or is rather, Chinese lettering for your selector switch. Let's give it a rack. Let's check out that trigger. Very nice. Rivets on this was really good. No issues with the production. It's got a smooth top on the dust cover, just like the 56. Butt plate does not have the cleaning rod hole, although allegedly there is a hole in there for your cleaning kit, so we can just change out the butt plate at a later date. Again, Palmetto State Armory Type 56 Spiker. Let's get that Spiker out. There it is. My bayonet was installed properly. I did see that there were some complaints about it being installed incorrectly, but this was installed the right way. And I'm sure you've seen some YouTube videos where doing mag dumps have bubbled up on the lower handguard. So that's something I'm going to have to monitor. And again, we'll cross that bridge when we actually get to go to the range. So there it is, ladies and gentlemen. It's the Palmetto State Armory Type, it's Palmetto State Armory Spiker, but it's based off of the Norinco Chinese Type 56 Spiker. And I really cannot wait to get to the range and shoot this guy right here. Made in the USA. 7.62 by 39. There's your cutout for the bayonet. Like, subscribe, give it a thumbs up, check out the other videos, and I will see you guys at the range.